We're gonna wait in line for Millennium Falcon Smuggler's run.
We've watched the wait go down 10 minutes since we've been here, so we figured jump in line.
We'll let you know how long the wait is. Hopefully not actually 45 minutes, but even that's not so bad.
Yeah.
Proof. Taking bets on who's gonna get what role.
Not gonna get anything.
No?
I'm gonna put me in cargo. Hello. So it definitely smells like a garage in here, like a mechanic's garage. It's pretty cool. Little immersion element, I like it.
There's all sorts of noises and stuff.
Oh yeah, it's really, really cool. Apparently we're shipping popcorn, so that's fun.
I've been waiting for, yes. Come in, come in. I have an opportunity for you all that is bad. Dangerous. I was going to say profitable. You think I'm so heartless I would send my friends to danger? You insult my honor. And believe me, I have very little honor to insult.
Mama, one of the engines blew up again.
We'll talk later. I have to do everything around him. This is... Hello, hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. Oh, the Millennium Falcon.
That was so cool. That was so cool. That was awesome. 10 out of 10.
We'll definitely do good.
Oh yes. Oh yes, we were engineers.
Getting all blurry. I can't focus. Too many blinking lights. Ah!
So that was definitely 100% better than Flight Master.
Well, because it's interactive.
Yeah, like I felt like I had control of what I was doing. Like I feel like all engineers are just mad. I thought engineers were a lot of fun.
It was fun.
Because you have to be very quick about it, you get ready how fast you are. Just really, really cool ride. And it didn't feel like you were getting like pulled everywhere. Like it felt like what was happening felt like what you were experiencing in the cockpit. Great ride.
Ditto. I got worried because sometimes I suck at things like that. I get panicked and then I freak out. No, but I was good. We're going up back into the,
Sorry for the brightness.
the sun. See if the camera will adjust. All right, we are back out. Let's pull over for a sec.
So, give me your final thoughts.
The line was shorter.
Yeah.
It stated it only took us maybe a half hour to get through, and it was like a 45-minute closing time.
Yeah, so it wasn't that bad at all.
It was a lot quicker to get through, like the actual, like, what do they call it? So like the hangout thing.
Oh, the pre-show? Oh, the, yeah, like where the chessboard is, yeah.
We didn't get to take a picture in there because there was just sitting there. I mean, it wasn't
We'll get more
very
time.
long.
Yeah, you maybe have like
There were a lot of
2
people.
minutes.
Yeah, but not even. It was
Yeah.
like 30 seconds, and we were like,
Yeah, it was very
time
fast.
to get in line.
Which is nice, because at least that way it's just not like a lot of hanging around. There's
Yeah.
everyone's kind of moving, everyone knows what they're doing, so it's good.
So they kind of wish we did find a condition, like if you're ready
Agreed.
to go kind of thing. But
Yeah,
they gotta keep things moving.
we'll get more shots at it.
But the ride was fantastic.
Absolutely fantastic. A lot of fun.
The only thing that sucks is I was like really paying attention to the buttons, and I feel like I didn't get to actually watch what was happening as much. I tried, but
So I kind of figured out if you are the engineer, your side's going to light up red when you need to start repairing it. Like, so if you hit something, your side's going to flash bright red, and then your buttons will light up. So I was kind of paying attention to the story, and then I realized that's what was happening.
Yeah.
So it helps.
I did not notice that.
Yeah, I did. I noticed it halfway through.
Cool. Yeah,
So,
I
fun fact.
just started pressing buttons and hoping for the best.
A lot of
they
fun
light
facts.
up, but
Yeah.
then and you get to start. Just kidding. Shoot harpoons.
Yeah,
so
and,
you
and reel in the
press
cargo.
those buttons like a million times.
Oh yeah.
I was like, ah.
Yeah, it was good.
It felt like Toy Story Mania, where you're like pulling on the thing a million times.
no competition.
Well, we'll definitely be riding this several more times.
Yeah, so we'll let you know. Hopefully we can get gunner and pilot before the end of this trip. We should be able to.
Yeah, but we passed our mission.
Yeah, we passed. We got master pirates. So
Master pirate.
crushed it.
Don't know what a pirate has to do with
That's what smugglers
Star
are.
Wars, but, you know,
It's basically the equivalent of a rank if you get like all of the Buzz Lightyear points.
Okay.
You get Space Ranger.
Master pirate.
Master Pirate, that's us,
Arr.
baby. We're gonna go on the Caribbean. Alright, we're gonna keep walking.
We have other engines, right? This can't be the only one left in the entire building, can it? Did Honda lose a bet? And now he has to try to bring this piece of junk back to life? Ah, man.
We'd better be faster when we get to the real trouble. Right, pilot? Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly out. And push forward to fly down. Oh, watch it. Chewie is flying this thing with easy, eh? Weapons are on top. Left pilot. Hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. Train. Come. Those heavy guys are protecting the train. Take them out. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. Ah, there it is. After that train. Fire the harpoon. Now, shoot the cargo free. Left pilot, brakes. My friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Power up the ship. Gravity, go, axiom. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now that the resistance has what they need, maybe a little something for Hondo. Pilot, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Runners, shoot the train. Yes, keep passing those controls. Shooting. Good job, my friends. Yes, yes, yes! We got the coaxium! I will grab it! You keep up to the train! Gunship! Oh, that's ridiculous! Things are getting too hot! We've got to get out of here! Yes! A distraction! Fire the missiles at the train! Hurry! It's coming down! Left pilot, hit the boosters! Boost! 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 We made it! I don't believe it, but we made it! Now, let's get out of here! Your hyperdrive has failed! Pilots, evasive maneuvers! We've got company! Chewie is right! If we leave them back, they may find resistance! It's the last! You did it! Watch out! Oh, that's good to be about. Great job, my friends. You retrieved 2 containers of coaxium. This could greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is not bad.
So I wasn't expecting a space mission.
Okay, we just got out of
Smuggler's Run. Again.
For the second time.
I was a gunner this time.
I was an engineer again.
So gunning was interesting. I chose manual shooting because I'm not a punk. But you have 3 different buttons you gotta pick from: up, middle, and lower. And you kind of just have to feel it out as you go. But it's a lot of fun, everything moves very fast. It's a good time.
I was pushing buttons, yeah. We had a slightly different mission. It wasn't like too different, but a little bit.
We had like a space battle at the end.
So it makes me think that maybe, I don't know if it has to do with how well you do or
because
what.
it seemed like our ship was crashing a lot.
Yeah, we had 2 little girls who are our pilots, which was actually a fear of ours coming into this. But it was really cool. The cast member who was here kind
Walked
of
them through everything.
Fun, like made it a fun experience.
Yeah.
Made fun of them. I mean, a little bit. He was like, "Oh, do you guys know how to fly?" And they were like, he went, "Okay, we're all gonna die." And he's like, "Let me teach you so that I don't die."
Yeah.
And but I don't know. I don't think that, like, their dad was helping them a little bit. But it makes me think that maybe there's an option that they can press or something to autopilot it or
Because
help.
there was definitely one point we went into hyperspace and she was not touching that
She definitely did
lever.
not touch. She like half did it like as we were already in hyperspace.
So
I don't know. Maybe.
Yeah, I'm sure it's definitely on like an auto thing. Like if you don't do it by X amount of time, it does it for you.
Yeah, or like I'm wondering if maybe like cast members have an option with kids.
Yeah.
To like press a button and it can do something like that for you. But
it was interesting.
Yeah.
The space battle was fun though.
Yeah. It was really cool. Again,
we definitely go way worse. Like a lot worse.
I think it was actually more fun because it was kind of more bumpy this time.
Well, I'm just gonna crash this thing every time we fly now.
Yeah, and I got a little point of view video of the whole thing with a few button pushing and Evan looking back at me going.
Because I didn't know what was going on at one point.
But it was fun.
It was.
I think
still
even
fun.
better the second time than the first time.
I agree, and I'm still 100% saying it's better than Flight of Passage, just because I feel like you have a little bit of control over what's going on.
Yeah.
Like especially gunning, I felt like I would hit things, they would explode.
Yeah. Well, cool. All right. We're trying to get into the cantina next.
Good luck. May the force be with you.